In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus and how you can withdraw from it. We've gotten in a lot of people who have been able to claim this bonus and also they have been able to withdraw from it. I also got a few testimonials from the last video I made, and there are a lot of people that have been able to claim the bonus. So if you haven't been able to claim yours, the bonus is still very much available. All you just have to do is go to my previous video, watch the video to the very end where I showed step by step on how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus as well. So before I show you how you can claim this $30 no deposit bonus, I want you to like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click on your notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online.
Alright guys, so the broker we are going to be working with this time around is called Tickmail. Tickmail. So all you just have to do right now is check the comment section under this video. I'm going to drop a link there. Okay, I'm going to drop two links actually. So one of the link is for you to join my free forex class, and also the second one is for this bonus. So all you just have to do is click the link for this bonus, and it's going to take you to a page like this. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and all you have to do is click on get a welcome account. So after loading, it's going to take you to where you're going to register and where you're going to put your first name, last name, date of birth, email address confirmation, your country, your phone number, and you have to agree to all those terms. Alright, so when you're done inputting all the required information, you click on submit, and it's going to bring something like this verifying, please wait. So after that, it's going to bring that your welcome account has been created. You receive an email confirmation. So next thing for you to do now is go to your Gmail, and this email that they are going to send to you is going to contain your login ID and your password that you are going to use to log in into your MT4 account, because this broker is only available on MT4 trading platform. Alright, so after this, all you just have to do right now is go to your MT4 app. Okay, so go to your MT4 app and click on this plus button. This plus button. After that, you click on login to an existing account. Click on it and you search for Tickmail O2. And after that, it's going to bring this Tickmail O2 hyphen live. So that's what you are going to click on. You click on it, and after clicking on it, you input your login ID and your password. After inputting it, the login ID that came with the email they sent to you, you click on sign in, and after signing in, you're going to receive your $30 no deposit bonus. So you start trading with it on your MT4 trading app. Okay, so the profit you make, you'll be able to withdraw the profit into your normal bank app. All right, so let's talk about the terms and condition attached to this no deposit bonus. All right, so the terms and condition are quite simple to follow. You just have the minimum of $30 to withdraw, and also the maximum of 100 US dollars of profit. Okay, so that's just it, and there's no lot size. And also, before you can be able to withdraw, you have to deposit a minimum of 100 US dollar to the account so that you can be able to withdraw every single of your profit. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you were able to claim your $30 no deposit bonus, and if you are not able to claim yours, you can let me know in the comment section so that I can attend to you. All right, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click on the notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. All right, thank you so very much for watching.